Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video I have shown you the demo of this entire project, so you can access my particular playlist with the video description. In the description I have mentioned the link below, so you can access the entire project links over there, sorry, the playlist link, and I have shown the demo of the project. So in this video we'll be starting with the project. We'll create a new project, and we'll be setting the particular entire navbar and the ReactJs, the routing part, all this with the cards, the whatever the spinner things will be there, all those things we'll be setting in this entire video. Okay, so now I just stop the server over here. Now I'll just go back to my VS Code. I'll just stop the server. So this was I'll just exit everything from here, and I'll just remove from here. So now I'll just open a freshly new tab over here. Now coming back to the command prompt, so first what I need to do here is I'll just go back to my A drive. So here I have just created a new folder, that is HunkNews. Okay, so it is an empty folder. Okay, so I have just created a new HunkNews. I have just opened the things inside my command prompt over here. Okay, so once I open inside my command prompt, it will just open. So you need to run the command. What you need to run the command in the HunkNews, whatever the folder you have created, that is the npx create react app, the application name. So once you create this one, this particular React application is going to create, and all the things will get started over here. So now what I'll do here is I'll just cancel from here. So from the command prompt I have created the ReactJs app. So everyone knows how we can do this one. If you don't know, you can just access my playlist from the top to. So what I have shown you how we can create a ReactJs application. So now I'll just open this entire folder inside my VS Code. Okay, so I'll just open the thing inside my Visual Studio Code. So once I have opened inside my VS Code now, so now what I'll do here is I want to set up the few of the things over here. So what all the things I need to set up it over here. So first I'll just click onto the new terminal. I'll just click onto the terminal. I'll just click onto the terminal over here. So inside my terminal, what I need to do here is I need to start the particular server, right? I need to just start the server. So that is the one main thing I need to just do. So I need to install the React router DOM also. So I'll just install right now. So I'll just tell npm install React router and DOM. So I'm just installing the npm React router DOM. So I'm just installing the npm React router DOM in my new project. So once it has been installed, I need to install the Bootstrap also, so where we need to create the particular Bootstrap. So I need to just I'll be using for the front end part, I'll be using the Bootstrap. So in my src folder, so this is our folder structure, you know guys. So where our public.html will get loaded. So whenever the HTML things loads, it will just map to the id root. It goes to the index.js file. It will just see whatever the element id is root, and it is rendering to my application app. So it will just go back to the app.js. So whatever the things is been written inside my functional app, so it is going to render inside our website. Okay, so in this case, now what I'll do here is I'll just I will remove everything from the app.js file. Okay, so I'll just remove everything from the app.js file. Then whatever the index.css is there, I'll just remove everything from the index.css file. I don't need anything. Coming back to the index.js file, I'll just keep it as it is. So let's see. Now I need to install the Bootstrap also. So I'll just install here. I'll just tell npm install Bootstrap. Okay, so I need to have a Bootstrap to be installed. Okay, so I'll just install the Bootstrap from here, from the npm package. So then we need to install the top loading bar also. We'll install it at later. Now coming back to the thing, what I need to do here is I need to just create one folder. By the time it's get installed, I'll just click onto the plus folder. I'll just tell components. Okay, components have been created over here. So now I'll just start the server here. I'll just tell npm start. Okay, so I'll just start the particular server. So our server is going to start. So let's wait, it's take a little bit time to get started. So now I need to go to the index.js file. So here, so in my index.js file, I need to just create the particular content. So sorry, I need to just say I have installed the Bootstrap. So I'm just going to use the particular Bootstrap from here. Okay, so all the things I need to just provide inside my index.js file over here. Okay, so or else we have a number of thing like I can just use the directly the css. I can just load it, or wherever you can you can just do that particular point of the particular thing over there. Okay, so now what I'll do here is coming back to the particular component. So first I need to create a particular the particular routing part. So you can see our local host is going to, but it is just loading the particular content over here. So now what I'll do here is we have installed the Bootstrap, right? So I need to just add in my particular index.js file, sorry, index.js file, yeah. So where I need to just load the particular Bootstrap things where. So I'll just see how I get to know I need to put it into the index.js file. I'll just tell how to import Bootstrap in React. So if I just tell how to import the Bootstrap in React, so you can see they have been given inside our Stack Overflow. So I'm trying to say you how we can just access it. So you can see they have said first we need to install the Bootstrap. So npm install Bootstrap. Then I need to just go. We have three things over here. So I can just put it in the loader, or I can just put this particular line of code. So I want to just tell dictionary.css.bootstrap. I can just import this line of code. Anything I can just do it like this. Okay. So what I'll do here is I'll just see here they have been given like this. I'll just copy this much. I want to just import the Bootstrap from the bootstrap.css inside my JavaScript file where they take care of your bundle of CSS where you need to configure. So they have been said to me. So where I need to just put it. So I'll just copy from here. Coming back to my index.js file, I'll just put it over here. I'll just put like this. Okay. So I'll just save it. Once I save it, everything will get saved. It is getting compiled. So you can see now my React app is empty. So it is giving me the error. What is giving me the error? Just refresh again. Okay, it is just giving me inside my app.js. It is giving me it is not returning anything. It is just telling me, right? So coming back to the app.js file, so I'll just say like this. I'll just return one. I'll just tell div.container. I want to have a container. I'll just tell h1 tag hello. So if I just tell hello over here, you can see the error is going to be resolved. So if I refresh the page, you can see I'm getting an hello over here. So the things, everything is working perfectly over here. So now I'll just remove everything. So everything we have been set. Now I want to remove this container. So just for the reference purpose, I have been given for you guys. So now what I need to do here is in my app.js, I want to in my app.js, what I'll do here is it is a function based component. I'll be exporting everything into the class based component. Now I'll just tell RCC, so React class based component. So I'm just using the class based component inside the particular thing over here. Okay, so I'm just importing the class based component over here. So once I have been set it to the class based component, so it is returning the application over here, right? So where I have the particular content to me. So now what I need to do here is I want to add the particular routing part. So I want to add the routing part and I want to redirect to the navbar over here. So I'll just create a component here. So I'll just create the component. I'll just say it as a navbar here. I'll just tell navbar.javascript file. So I'm just creating a class based component here. Again, I'll just tell RCC React class based component. So navbar has been loaded over here. So here we have a navbar. I'll just keep it as it is right now. Coming back to the app.js file, so where I need to first I need to get the few of the things from the React router. So we have installed the React router DOM, right? So I need to import few of the things. So I'll just tell import what all the things I need to import from. I want to import from the React router DOM. So I'll just tell React router DOM. I want to import the things from the React router DOM. What is the first thing I want to import? I want to just import the browser router. I'll just put the comma over here. Then as a router, so browser router as router ROU router. Okay, so I'm just importing the React router from the particular React router DOM. Then I need to import the routes ROUTES routes. Then what else I need to import? I need to just import the ROUTE route. So router, routes and route. I am just importing the things from the React router DOM. So once it has been imported, so next what are the things I need to import? So then I need to import this navbar also. Whatever the navbar I have been used, I want to just import. I'll just tell navbar here. So if I just tell navbar, you can see the thing is been getting imported. Done. So one part is done over here. So we have imported the navbar, then we have imported everything from the content from here. Okay, so once it has been done, so once it has been done, so next what I need to do here is I need to just come back to this rendering part. So I need to just come back to the render part now. So I am returning some of the things over here, right? So what I'll do here is I'll just remove here. I'll just render all the properties over here. I'll just close like this. So here I need to say I want to just say this is the thing in the router. So inside the router, these all the things already I have been taught you. So in the router, I want to first send what? I need to just send the navbar here. So first I want to just send the navbar, NAVBR navbar. So in this navbar, I'll just render the things to the navbar here. So in the navbar, I'm just sending here. So navbar has been getting reloaded it. If I just save it here, so you can see a very fresh page. So you can see I'm getting a navbar over here. So you can see the navbar is been coming. So that is one part is done here. So we are successfully loaded the particular navbar here. So once the navbar is been completed, so now I'll just come back to my navbar.js file. So coming back to the navbar.js file, I'll just set the particular navbar component here. So in the navbar.js file, so what I need to do here is I want to import few of the things here. So I want to just import the few of the things. I want to import the link here. I want to just import what? I want to just import the link from the way React Proto. I want to just import the link. So it is also a class based component, even it is returning the something. So I'll just remove this navbar. So I'll just leave like this. I'll just keep it like this. Okay, so once I have kept like this, I want to have a navbar here, right? So for the navbar, I'll just go back to the getbootstrap.com. So in the getbootstrap.com, I'll just search for the examples, the documentation. So here I'll just go back to the components, and here I'll just get the navbar component from this side. So here I need to have this component. I'll just copy this component. I'll come back and I'll just paste exactly. So what other things is there? So here I don't need to have a form, that is a search button. I'm just removing. I don't want this disable button, and I don't want this drop down button. I'll just remove from this li to li. So here with these all the things we have, right? The other content we have. So now what I'll do here is wherever the class is there, I'll just press Ctrl H. I want to replace the class with class name. So class with CLAST class name. So here I need to remove this after. So this one, it is going to change. I want to just remove. I'll just replace with all. So it is been done. So now I'll just keep this as a class itself. Okay, done. So I think you understood, because it is a default, it was a class. I don't need to change this one. I need to just change the class name of it, this particular bootstrap components. Okay, done. So here one more error we'll be getting. So where is that error? Okay, no error over here. And then anywhere anything else, so href is there. Later we'll change it to the href also, because I'm not using that particular thing. So because it's refreshed. So here we have a navbar, right? So here I don't want to have a navbar over here. So I don't want to have a navbar. So now what I'll just keep it here. It is a background light color is light, and the bg is equal to light color. So for right now I'll just keep it as a dark color, and even this background color I'll just keep it as a dark color. Done. Okay, and here I'll just want to replace the things over here. So I want to just replace, I'll just keep it as a daily hunk. Okay, daily 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 hunk. So this is the news, daily hunk news, daily news hunk, or daily news hunk, something like this. You can just keep it daily news hunk. Okay, so I'm just keeping the website name as daily hunk news. So daily news hunk. Okay, so this is the website I'm just using. If I just come back and if I just show you, so you can see I'm having a navbar. It's been imported over here. So daily hunk news, and I'm having a home, and I'm having a link over here. So now what I need to do here is, so this is all the things we need to do. Just we have been set up this entire component over here. So now what I need to do here is I need to replace all the things into the different categories. This will do it later. So now coming back to the next, what I need to do it next. So we have set the particular navbar over here. So now what I need to do here is I need to set up a card over here. I need to just create two things. That is a news components I need to create, and where I'll be fetching the API keys. Then for rendering the card, I need to have one more news item card. So I'll just create two more components over here. So the first component name, I'll just give it as a news.js file. So this is where I'll be getting the particular news from here. So I'll just say it here, RCC, the React component, class based component, enter, save it. Now again I'll just create one more component. Here I'll just tell as a news here. I'll just create news items. Okay, I'll just keep it as a news items.js file. So even this will be what, React class based component. Enter it, save it. Okay, so these things we have been done. So we have created the three things over here. So along with that, now coming back to my app.js file, so where I have been provided the navbar. So now I want to import this navbar, or sorry, the news component also, where inside my ReactJs project. So now what I'll do here is here I can just set up the particular component. So for first I will be from the navbar. So from the particular navbar or thing, so I want to just import the particular news component, right? So now what I need to do here is I'll introduce you with the one site here, so where I can get the particular API keys. So that particular site name is, so where we are fetching the live news. So that particular news is news api.org file. So here we have been this one. So I have logged in as with airobotic2018@gmail.com. You can just sign up freely for you guys, so you'll be getting an API keys over here. So you can see the API keys has been there here. This is the API key of here. So if I just click on the get API key, so you can see this is my API key. So I'm giving you for you 5 gig free, so don't use my API key please. So just go to the news.api.org file and just put up your login credentials. Then you'll be getting your own API keys. Kindly use your own API keys because it will be having few of the limits where I cannot see. So you can see I have been put in more than 138 requests, 74 requests I have been made. So this many requests I have been made over here. So now I'll just show you here. If I just copy this entire key, if I just copy this one and if I just paste it over here in the new tab, so here you can see I'm having all the thing inside that JSON format. So you can see we have the data. So we are in this particular API key, they are passing what? They are passing the 13,699 data has been passing. 13,669 news they have been passing, where we have been having an author name, title, and they are passing the image, and they are who have been published, and the content they have been providing to us. So this particular data, what we want to do here is whatever the data has been there, this we want to fetch it inside our React.js application. This is the thing we need to do it here. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll just I'll just create one now file here. So what I'll do here is I want to load the particular data from the JSON file. Let's do that kind of thing, or else okay, I'll just create one JSON file here in my src. I'll just create one sample.json. I'll just create sample.json file. So this will be a JSON file. So now what I'll do here is I'll just copy the data from here. So I don't want to copy this big data. So let me see any small API small data where we have. So here we have 70 results, and I'll just search for the 10. You can see in this we have the data, that is 10 data we have here, the entire 10 particular content we have. I'll just copy this much. I'll just paste it over here. So whatever the JSON data is there, I'll just copy everything from here, and I'll just come here and I'll just paste into the sample.json file. Okay, so I'll right click and I'll just click on the format document. So where we have the, I'll just save this much. Okay, so I think there is no error in this file. Let me try. So you can see we don't have any error. I have just pasted perfectly all the data I have been pasted inside the json.yml. So now I'll show you how I can read the JSON data from the sample.json. What are the data has been there, how I can just display the data inside our React.js application. So this is the thing we'll be doing it over here. So for this one, what I need to do here is, so first I need to just set up the particular article. So I'll just say inside my news.js file, so where we have the news.js file, here I'll just, so this is basically the, I cannot pass the props. I can pass, but we'll be using a default props, and we'll be setting the particular static props types. So we'll see that thing later. So first I'll just show you how I can just create the things here. I'll just create here as an article here. So I'll just say here articles. Okay, so I'm just creating an empty articles and array list. I'm just keeping on the entire array list over here. So in the array list, so what I'll do here is I'll just go back to my sample.json. So I'll just copy everything from here, and I'll just put everything inside the news.js file. Okay, just paste it over here. Okay, so in this thing I want to, so already we have been set up the particular articles here, so I don't want to keep this as articles over here. Okay, so I want to just start with the source ID null over here. So I want to remove these two things. So I'll just remove from here to here, and I want to just close the tag of this one. Okay, I'll just remove this status, and I'll just remove enter. Last I'll just remove this much. Okay, so I think there is no error. I think I need to close this much also, or not. So let me see. I don't want to do any mistakes right now. So here I just want to close this much, right? I want to just close this much, the three things. So where I'm having the content over here. So then the source also we are having this okay, so I need to okay, I need to have a source from here. It should start from here, and I need to just close this entire articles over here. So it should start from this enter. So I'll just close this much. Okay, so it has been closed, and I need to just in the end of the thing I need to just remove this much. Okay, so okay, if I think I need to remove this much, this one. Okay, so now okay, it is not giving me the content, so I need to just remove this is there, and it will just or it will just close here, and I need to just remove this particular thing. The error has been gone, you can see. Okay, there is no error now. So I want to just remove this content. I'll just remove this also. Okay, now it has been perfectly, so it has been fine now. So I have been created an articles content now. So where we have the data over here, so we have a lengthy data, so where it is a data of a JSON file format. So now I'll just close these articles. So if I just see, if I just click here, it will just close. So because it is very lengthy, so I'm just closing the entire content of it. So basically it is a class based component. I want to just pass like what all the, I need to just set the particular state of it, I need to just pass the particular title name of it, and I need to just load the particular thing, like what all the, whatever the API keys are there, I need to load the particular API key also. Then I need to just fetch everything, then I need to just pass everything to where, so everything I need to just pass to the news item.js file also. So where the news item.js file will be there over here. Okay, so where in the news item.js file we will get all the data, that is title as well as description, URL, link, URL, author name, the particular date, everything whatever there as a props, I'll get it from there, and whatever the thing is there, I'll just return everything in the form of a class over here. So that is what we will be doing. So this particular thing I'll be doing inside my next video. So in this video what we have seen, we have just saw how to create a React.js application. So you can see we have created a navbar, and we have just got our API key and everything. The JSON data we have been added inside one particular folder, sorry, the particular array list, that is a articles. In the articles we have added all the JSON data. Now in the next video what we are going to do here is, whatever the data we have been added over here, this we will be putting inside our, this whatever the data is that I'll be displaying, where I'll just display that particular data inside in here in the React component. Okay, so in the news component we'll be displaying in my next video. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts you can just comment in the below comment section, and you can access the particular playlist from the my particular link. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.